तुमने सिर्फ चाहा है, तुमने सिर्फ चाहा है, हमने छू के देखे हैं पैरहन घटाओं की, जिस्म बर्क पारों की. While you have loved them from a distance, I have reached out and touched them, the long flowing robes of the rain clouds and the sharp shards of lightning. Sahir Ludhianvi. One thing that makes Sahir shine amongst his contemporaries is the way he uses nature in his poetry. Mountains, rivers, lightning, birds, valley. The entire universe comes alive in his words. Sahir, true to his name, creates magic when he writes. I am Swati Sani, an Urdu lover, author and a poet, bringing to you gems from the world of Urdu literature. Khuda Hafiz.